There's another blue swallowtail. September, it's getting late in the season. We'll start seeing a lot of these guys and their monarch cousins. I had a coworker recently ask me, she said her pepper plants got nice and tall, a lot like mine, but she said she hardly got any peppers off of them. Mine, there's a lot of green in there. The red ones I harvest first, so I got plenty of peppers. My first question to her was, how many flowers do you have in your garden? And she said none. I have lots of flowers. I have, most of mine are in hanging baskets this year, just so I could maximize my raised bed space for vegetable production. But I have lots of flowers. I do that very intentionally to draw in more pollinators and predators. You want the wasps there too. Right there, I have a mint plant. Everybody knows mint's a bully in the garden, but this guy is actually in a pot. Keep a close eye on them to make sure that they don't spread, but the wasps love this one. More pollinators, more pollination of your flowers, you'll get more fruit set, more peppers, more tomatoes. Maybe not so much tomatoes. Those flowers are pretty much fully encapsulated and they actually pollinate themselves. So if you're having spotty tomato production, go tap on the trellis they're on, vibrate it around. You'll cause more of that pollen to drop to the bottom of the flower. I wanted to show you this basket in particular. This is alyssum. I feel like this is the best weapon against potato hornworm. Right? I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There's a little braconid wasp right there. That is the size of a fruit fly. But tomato hornworm, which is the #1 eater of your tomato plants, is about the size of your thumb. It's a big caterpillar. It's the biggest one you'll find in the garden, and they can do a lot of damage real quick. But those little braconid wasps, they will lay their eggs right on top of the caterpillar's back, and those eggs will pretty quickly suck that caterpillar dry. So they are the predator I want in the garden most, and that's why I make sure every year that I have some alyssum near my tomatoes. First year I had a garden, I had tomato hornworm, and I saw it and knew what it was. I knew I had a problem, but I had planted alyssum there, and the next time I saw a tomato hornworm, it was dead with tiny little white egg sacs all over its back. I, in previous years, have not ever had a problem. I make sure I have plenty of flowers, but very importantly, plenty of really small flowers. So if you're having an issue with fruit set and you don't have any flowers near your vegetable garden, try it. You might be surprised.